Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to use your net to make fascinator. You need your net. This is 1.5 yard of net. You need your mold. This is 13 inches mold. You need your pin, and you need your cream and your nylon that you are going to use to wrap the mold. This kind of molding is different to the way you are molding it. You are molding your art. You have to turn your mold to make it flat, without shape. You turn your mold upside down. You see, then take your nylon. You wrap your nylon on it. Then you turn it up. This is the main head. This is bottom of it. We are going to use bottom of it to mold. Your cream, rub the nylon. The reason is that so that the net will not go on it when you stiffen it. Then take your net. This is the net. Take your net, fold it into two. As I've said before, it's 1.5. Fold it into two. Put it into two. See, I fold it into two. Then take your mold, spread it on it. Spread it well. And now, you have to mold it adjacently. You mold as you have spread it, then turn it up. You mold it like this. Then you turn it to the other side. You pin it. Then pin the first side. Pin this side too. Pin it. Then mold round. Yeah. Turn the front. You can see the molding very flat to give you a flat shape like this. Then take your stiffener and stiffen it. Please be expecting step 2 of it, how to design it. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.